Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 plate Landrover Discovery. So first of all, we go to Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth is on, and then we're watching out at the bottom over to the system here. I'll just put it on the home screen. So from any screen, you've got telephone there, click on the telephone. Use your device to search for Landrover Discovery. Landrover Discovery is shown up here at the bottom. Click on that. Thanks, Sean. So that's thinking about it. We'll just watch what happens over here. There we go. Verify these numbers match the display on Barry's iPhone 13 Pro. 800517, 800517, pair. Allow contacts and favorites to sync, allow. That's showing connected. If I go up to the top, let's see, where is it? Landrover, that's the one, that's connected. That's how you do that.